All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with the Jasmine. One is from Alliance Designs Production, and the other one is the custom. So I'm gonna do a quick overview, checking the similarities and the differences. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you want. And also, I don't have to forget to say a huge shout out to my buddy Eden from Alliance Designs for sending this guy along, so I'm able to share my thoughts with you. So let's go ahead and check these two fellas because, sorry, they are pretty similar. So these, of course, Alliance Designs is making a production version of custom knives, which would be probably unattainable for most. And in this case, like, you get to pay $350 for the production, which is very close to the custom, which is going to be 3 times as that, like $1,100. Of course, the materials are different. This is a custom, this is a production, so but still, they're very close. For example, they're both titanium frame locks. They both have, sorry, 5 holes. And the finish, of course, is different. As you can see, on the custom, you get like a eggshell wire wheel kind of pattern going on and some anodization. Whereas here, you just get the blasted finish on the titanium. The back spacer is titanium on the production, and it's dark tie on the custom, like the pocket clip. Dark tie, titanium. So much more expensive material. The clip also looks pretty much the same design as is the back spacer, with a little exception of this rounded area that is less rounded off in the custom. They are both floating back spacer with a set of 4 washers going on. The screw over here on the custom, as you can see from this point, is just a little bit better finished than the production for the handle screw, this one right over here. And from this side, like, guys, we are very close. Like, I mean, the opening for the stop pin looks, see, they look like pretty much the same size, but the opening looks a little bit bigger to me on the custom. Maybe I'm tripping, but looks like that. The holes also are pretty much identical. A lanyard hole checks out. Of course, major giveaway is going to be Ray Laconico on the custom and Laconico on the production, engraved on the spine of the blade. It's pretty centered. And another one is going to be the thumb stud. As you can see, let's open it up. The thumb stud are quite different. Let's check them out from this angle right there. I prefer the custom because it's smoother and it's titanium and anodized, and it's looking pretty good if you ask me. Also, the blade material, of course, is going to be different. This is RWL 34 steel. This is CPM 154 steel, with the hand rub horizontal satin lines, and this is like vertical belt grind lines. So that's another little difference that I noticed. The production has a chamfered sharpening choil, whereas the custom doesn't. So if you want to do this, it's going to be a little bit more comfy than that. It's a little bit sharp on this one, but nothing too crazy. Other than that, guys, I really cannot spot any other differences. I have to say that the grind for the edge, it's very well done on the production, and here you see it's widening up, so it's not uniform, and it's widening up at the end, so in the custom. So that's another little difference. Let me check stock thickness. For the custom is 0.15 and for the production is 0.15, so that's pretty much the same. Also, something that we can check is the sound difference. So this is the production and that's the custom. It's almost indistinguishable. You blindfold me, it's very difficult to find out which is which. in a blindfold test. Let's also check the weight because I think, they're gonna be pretty similar. 3.91 for the production and 3.61 for the custom, probably because the dark tie is lighter than the titanium. I don't know, but stock thickness is the same. Everything checks out. The holes are the same, so probably has to be that. And also the fact that the steel is different, it might have a factor. So of course, ergonomically speaking, they are the same. Sound-wise, they're pretty much the same. They are very, very close, and that's why I love Alliance Designs, because they can do production versions of custom knives which are absolutely close to the original one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.